This back here is a really neat place to be, but there's something missing up there. In today's video, I'm going up there and build myself a little bench. I didn't bring any screws, no nails, just an axe, a saw, and I think that's all I need. So this is what I brought with me. Just some basic tools, a little saw I usually take with me when I'm out camping. There's another little saw in here. I thought using that to cut the trees down. It's quite rough and I think that should work pretty good. I think I found the right one. This one. Nice and dry, still standing. Just as I wish. That works good. So now I'm just estimating how long I will make my bench. I will have to do another cut. That should do it. Yep. What else do we need? Right, we do need some legs as well. Number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4. I will also need something to connect my two logs. So I think I have to cut some more. That really got me sweaty now. One, two, three. 5 and 6. I think it's very important to take off all the bark because this is what's keeping the moisture. Just cleaning up my mess here, and now we get to the most important part. How am I connecting these things? The idea is to cut out small notches, and then I just make them fit right in, like really tight, hammering them in. maybe taking the saw isn't the smartest idea. And now you can see I'm just cutting that in a little angle here, because I'm thinking of cutting out another part. I'm cutting out pieces like this, my logs as well, and then I'm just going to hammer it right into place. This is what it looks right now, and I think it's pretty good. And now he has to put it in here. Actually, I didn't need it to be that long, but whatever. I will cut that off now. I take the little smaller side, this one, then I'm turning it around, putting it up here, and that's where I mark my line. And actually, I can take the same angle as I have here, like keep my saw like this, and cut my notch. Now I just have to guess how deep I have to go. Shit, I'm actually doing it wrong. I actually have to come over here then. A little more. I have to stop here and just show you something. Isn't that beautiful here? I love that. Now, taking the other one. Make sure it's a little smaller than my piece here, so it can be really tight. So here's my first cut. This is my piece. Like you see, it's wider here than down here. And later I'm just flipping it and shoving it, hammering it right in there. Trying to make a cut right here. Bad actually. Wow, this worked really good, and this is really strong. Crazy. So now I just need to do that on the other side as well. Side now. I think I'll do it like this. I think that's good enough. Yeah, I think that should work. It's twisted just a little bit, but I think this was just enough. Now I think of putting legs in here. I think I'm going to use the same technique here, cutting out some notches and then fitting these pieces to them. Oops. Now it looks like this. That will work just fine. Nice. And just to make it clear, this here is not about perfection. perfection. It's just a function that's counting. I just want to have a nice little bench here, and this was an idea, and I wanted to try out if that is actually working. I think it's working out really good. I have to find some branches to clean up that mess here a little bit. I don't like that. I think I need to take off small pieces here just to make it nice. Well, that should be it for my video today. I hope someone else comes up here and enjoys the sunset like this one. I just hope no one will destroy it and people can just relax and yeah, take advantage of it. Yeah, here we are again. I just felt like there is really something missing here in the picture, and of course there's something I have to put here so you can actually sit here, lean back and enjoy the view properly. So now I'm just cutting two pieces out of the long one here, making them the same length, and after that I'm going to try to split this one right in half. This is very nice and straight wood. You don't want to use trees or logs that are like twisted, because then your wood won't crack nice and straight, and I think that here will work just fine. Let's start putting things together. Oops. That should be good enough. I just want to have it V-shaped a little bit, and the further you go up it has to be a little wider, and then I think it should just stick like it worked here yesterday. Yeah, I can do it like this. That's much better, right? I like that.